If you want to quickly clean up your footage and remove any extra parts, this video is going to show you exactly how to trim a video in CapCut PC. Trimming is one of the most useful editing skills because it helps you shorten clips, remove mistakes, and make your video flow much better without doing anything complicated. So, if you are new to CapCut, or you just want a fast refresher, you are in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project loads, you'll want to bring the video you want to edit onto the timeline. To do that, drag the video clip down into the timeline area. This is where all of your editing happens, so once the clip is placed there, you're ready to start trimming. Next, click on the video clip to select it. You'll know it is selected when it becomes highlighted, which means CapCut is ready for you to edit that specific clip. Now move your cursor to the beginning or the end of the clip. As you hover near the edge, you should see the trim handle appear. This little handle is what allows you to shorten the clip from either side. If you want to remove the beginning of the video, place your cursor on the left edge. If you want to remove the end, move to the right edge. Once the trim handle appears, click and drag the edge inward. As you drag, you'll notice the clip gets shorter and the part you're removing is no longer included in the timeline. This is the easiest way to cut away unwanted intro sections, pauses, dead space or anything else you do not want in the final video. Keep dragging until the clip reaches the exact length you want. If you trim too far, don't worry, you can always adjust it again by dragging the edge back out a little bit. When the clip looks right, simply release the mouse. That locks in your trim and keeps the new clip length in place. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can trim video in CapCut PC and make your edits look much cleaner and more professional. This is a great first step for anyone learning CapCut, because once you understand trimming, it becomes much easier to build better edits, keep only the best parts of your footage, and move faster in your workflow. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.